So this. Hey, I was watching Scooby-Doo.
Oh, you were? You weren't watching it? Sorry.
Wait, tell brother you have a surprise for him.
I got a surprise for you.
Okay.
Sister, come back. Like some tea? Like some tea?
Tell brother sit down.
Sit down. Drink some tea.
Show brother what you do with your pinky. Brother, you gotta drink your tea.
I want to drink my tea.
Drink your tea. Drink tea.
Drink it.
I don't like tea.
Like tea?
No, I don't like tea.
Yes, he does. It's good. It's lemonade.
Lemonade.
It's lemonade.
It's lemonade.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
No, oh, Jalen.
Lemonade.
Drink
Like
it.
some.
Drink it. If you don't drink it, I swear to God, drink it. Drink the... Look, and she got you a cookie too.
Oh, thank you.
Drink it.
Say please, brother.
Please, butter.
It's good. It's lemonade.
You put lemonade?
Yes, put it in there.
Is it bad?
No, drink it.
Drink it. You said you like it. Like it?
Not really. Yeah, I like it.
Like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Mom, he said I like it.
He does.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that good?